Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Word, Microsoft Word to its default setting. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your search option here and here type registry editor. You can see this option and double click it to open and select yes. And now you have to follow this instruction here. First of all, you can see the current user option, expand it. And now expand this software option. You can see this, expand it. And you have to find the option Microsoft. As you can see, this is the option, expand it again. And now scroll down to find the Office option. And here it is, the Office option, expand it. As you can see, there are different type of Office version, 11, 12, 14, 15 or 16. If you are using 14 version, that's expanded version. You can you can also use the 16 version as your priority is. And now right click on the Word file and select delete. And after deleting it, your Word Office Word will reset to your default settings. So in this way, you can easily reset your Word settings. So this is the video and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel and I will catch you guys on the next video.